Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker and independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to make this pretty peony treat holder or favor using the using the Peony Dies that are new with the Stampin' Up! Catalog. So let me set this aside and let's begin. For this treat packaging, I'm using the Peony Dies, and I have already cut the pieces from Blushing Bride and So Saffron, and then I've got a piece of soft seafoam for the belly band. So we're going to quickly put this together, and I've got if you need another video, I have one that's steps through this process a little more slowly for putting the flower together. And I also have a chart on my blog that you can download that tells you which dies you use for the flower and which dies you use to cut apart the stamps. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over and add some multi-purpose glue in these layers. And just give it a little bit of a pinch here. I want to tuck this front insert in just a little more. Okay. And then we're going to tuck these little pieces in with some adhesive. And they're going to go right in the center here and just kind of peeking out a little bit. Okay. And next we're going to score the belly band, and we're going to start at 1, oops, and then 1.5, and 3, and 3.5. Okay, and I've got a couple of these delicious ruby chocolate Kit Kats, and we're going to wrap those in here. And we do want the overlap on the front, and we're going to put the adhesive on the end there and the end here, and that way we know for sure that the adhesive is going to touch cardstock and not be stuck to the chocolate. So you want the band on there tight enough to hold the chocolate so that they aren't going to fall out. Hold that just a moment. Then we're going to use some dimensionals and add the flower. And we're going to hope that the breeze doesn't blow my work surface away. My windows are open here today, and since it's rather hot, and I'm just going to use my fingers and pull these back to give them a little more 3D oomph. Okay, and I've got leaves over here. So I've cut So Saffron and Old Olive. We just need to adhere the layer. And then we're going to stick these underneath. Let's see where I want to have them. We'll go there with one. Little bit of adhesive on the back. And give it a press to hold. And make sure this one is going to fit in here. Yes, indeed. And there we go. A pretty summer favor if you're gathering with friends, having a wedding. This is made with the Peony Dies. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button for my YouTube channel, and then the bell if you would like to receive notifications of my future videos. And in the description below, you'll find a link to the blog post so that you can download the chart for die cutting the flower pieces. And of course, there's a link in the description below so that you can purchase any of your current Stampin' Up! Products. Thanks. Have a great day.